here we are at the Rio, a newly remodeled room, suite. It's 2 queen beds with a strip view up on the 17th floor. And as soon as we walked in, I don't have much of a sense of smell, but my friend, she's like, this stinks, Wanda. You're gonna have to get your oils out because it smells bad. And see, I can't smell, like I don't have much of a sense of smell.
It smells like bad BO.
Oh, that's bad. So that's bad. So let's talk about how convoluted this one was. But first we'll let you guys see what it looks like. It looks fairly decent. Oh, this smells over here. This is where it smells at. That's pretty. And that's the closet. It's separated. I don't like how that's done that way. I was never a fan of that. Pretty cool. You have a little sitting area. It's open. 2 queen beds, blah, blah, blah. So the Rio, I was here and ate at the awesome restaurant, Guy Fieri's El Burro Borracho, and I went to the Kiss mini golf, and that was great. We had a lot of fun. So they sent me comps since I did that, and I got their members card, and we gambled just a wee bit, not a lot. And then, and there's a little wet bar, And so they sent me an email, and I said, okay, great. I can get a comped room up to 4 nights for about $57, let's say $57 for a resort fee, right? Free room, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we go over there today and we decide let's take them up on that offer for 1 day because the sheets at the Bellagio were stuffing up our noses and stuff like that. Not that we were actually stuffing a sheet up their nose, but it just made us stuffy, right? So we decided to pop over here, right across the highway. And that's her view. And when we did, I went up to the lady to ask for any upgrades. And it's $12.50 as I'm talking to her. I know they have an early check-in fee of $50. I'm not looking to do that. I just wanted to know if there was any upgrades. And she said she could get us into the Ipanema Tower, which is what this is, because I was on the Masquerade, which is the older one. And so she said, okay, fine. She could do that and she would waive the early check-in fee. Well, I'll just come back 10 minutes. Oh, why can you come back? Why should you come back when I can get you in now? And I went, well, okay. And she goes, and I can give you an upgrade for $60. I went, what? Oh, so I thought she meant to get rid of the $57, and I could you just pay. I said, okay, so that's not on top of the 50. That's just, so it's just going to be 60. She says, yes. Okay, that sounds good. All right, fine, whatever. Next thing I know, that charge turned in from $60 to $200 and something because they had to give a $100 deposit. And then, oh no, the room's comped. So, and then you have to pay your resort fee. So that added to the 60. Whoa. And by then I was already in the transaction. And she explains it then, and it was very, very convoluted and confusing. That's the first ding. The smell is the second ding. So that's bad. So now we're gonna have to try and get the luggage up here. That was the other thing too. We pulled in the taxi and no guy came running out to help us. We had to go wheelie our stuff over a brick kind of pavement, so it's hard to move some of the luggage sometimes. But okay, I won't be a pain in the ass. I won't be a bitch. We can do that. We got over there and we did that. So now we get to play luggage tag. Oh boy, what's in for it now? We can always go back to the Bellagio and not breathe. Or you can come in here and breathe BO. Which one would you smell? I don't know. I don't know. We can always go back down and go, we need a different room because that one smells. We could. Yeah, I think that might be a good idea. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Alrighty. update to the saga at the Rio. So I went down to the front desk and talked to the lady there, and after spending a while in the long line, because everybody and their mom were checking in. And I told her what happened, and when we got up to the other room, it just smelled like bad BBO, man. So they were kind enough to give me my old reservation back. I could have had a different room, but I didn't want to take the chance that the smell we were smelling might not have been BBO. It might have been maybe that because of the smell when you remodel, or their cleaning solution. But something was off, because I could even smell it in the hallway. So something was wrong. So we got, this is the original reservation. So there you go. And it's not much different than the other one. The other one had maybe a skosh more room, but it also had that big recliner like right here. So instead you just have a love seat, which, you know what, that's good enough. And this is, it doesn't smell. My Rentina says it does not smell. And she knows, because my sense of smell is off. So it's certain things I can smell and certain things I can't. So this was $57. They hold $100 on your credit card, and then they'll give that back to you after that. But that is the strip right there. You are seeing the Bellagio. You are seeing New York, New York. You are seeing Cosmopolitan. The stadium is over there, and they even have their Caesars. We're kind of like right behind the Caesars, right back there. And then the big high roller, which is Flamingo, and even Harrah's when you cock down. But that's the front sign of the Rio. So we've driven down that road many times. And I guess that used to be the Outback Steakhouse. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But this is the room now, so it's clean, no smell, no funk. And it's not bad. And it's typical. We had the bellhop hold our luggage when we first got here with the taxi, and then they delivered it up for us, which we ended up having to call. So it's not bad. It's okay. The bathroom is much, much smaller than what we had, especially at the suite. Oh, look, it's a peek-through window to give you a little light in here. That's funny. I can see already. That's not good. I don't like that. I guess that's probably, it does not look like mold. It looks like the black silicone. Something over there might be mold. This is an older hotel. Oh, I like the stainless steel bowl. That's nice. Okay. We'll update as we go along. But we're checking out tomorrow, so there won't be a whole lot to say, I'm sure. The beds, Tina said, are a little firm. Not as gushy as the Bellagio. But at least no smell. Oh, and there's the window into the bathroom. That's like really weird. Okay. I don't know why they kept that. A peekaboo shower. Alrighty then. Okay, we'll see you guys after. Alrighty, believe it or not, we're not even gonna stay here either in this room. We thought about it, we saw the mold in the tub and I know it's one night, but you know, no, we just can't do it. Can't do it, Captain. So we decided to use our friend Tina's comp at the Cosmo, and we're going to pop over there. Oh yeah, that's fun. Hopping 1, 2, 3. This is what, actually take 4, actually. Second room, 1 room at the Bellagio, and then the stinky room here at the Rio, and now this room with the mold. I'm really not that picky. Really, I'm not. But Cosmo's gonna have a better room, and we can get it comped. So there you go. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. So good, bad, and ugly about the Rio. I'd say, you know, it's nice that they're getting some of those areas, some of the rooms remodeled. That's awesome. But people have got to use better cleaners or something, or maybe they just need to clean that room better. Somebody threw up in it maybe, or something, or bad BO, I don't know. But And they really need to clean their bathrooms and scrub them down. Mold means that it hasn't been cleaned properly over time. So that's not good. Okay. Unfortunately, yeah. The good is that it's nice view. Gorgeous view. And this room wasn't that bad. So it's just that. We just can't do it. And that'll put us back closer to where we were. So it was a mistake. It was a mistake. I love the Rio, I really do. It's an older hotel though. You know, what are you going to do? We try our best. So stay tuned. I'm not happy with the Cosmos. So as long as there's not poop on the door, I guess we'll deal with it. But we also are getting 2 queen beds there. So it should be more better. Or we're just a glutton for punishment. One or the other. Who knows? We'll see you guys in the next.